How to build a career like Warren Buffett. Proven strategies for success. Warren Buffett, famously known as the Oracle of Omaha, built his legendary career through value investing, discipline, and a lifelong commitment to learning. Imagine building your fortune from scratch, guided by the same principles of wisdom, patience, also smart investing that made Buffett one of the greatest investors of all time. In this guide, we'll break down his success formula, proven strategies that have built empires and created lasting wealth. From mastering value investing to harnessing the power of compounding, you'll uncover the secrets behind his remarkable career. Whether you're beginning your investment journey or refining your financial strategy, this roadmap will empower you to think, invest along with grow like Buffett himself. The path to wealth starts here, one smart decision at a time. Are you ready to invest in your future? Let's get started. Step-by-step strategy guidelines. Phase 1. Build strong foundations, 0 to 5 years. Education. Study finance, economics, accounting, and business management. Reading habit. Read books on investing and biographies of successful investors. First investments. Start investing small amounts to gain practical experience. Develop analytical skills. Learn to read and interpret financial statements. Phase 2. Gain practical experience, 5 to 10 years. Work in finance or business. Gain experience in investment banking, asset management, or corporate finance. Build your investment portfolio, invest in stocks, and evaluate your performance. Network with investors, join investment clubs or communities. Phase 3. Establish your investment strategy, 10 to 20 years. Focus on value investing. Develop a consistent investment strategy based on fundamentals. Create a reputation, share your insights through blogs, articles, or investment reports. Seek long-term opportunities, look for companies with strong fundamentals and competitive advantages. Phase 4. Build wealth and influence, 20+ years. Expand your portfolio, diversify investments across sectors. Become a mentor, share your knowledge through mentorship or speaking engagements. Philanthropy. Follow Buffett's example of giving back to society. Learning strategy. Formal education. Degrees. Pursue a degree in finance, economics, or business. Certifications. Earn certifications such as CFA, Chartered Financial Analyst, or CPA, Certified Public Accountant. Workshops and seminars. Attend investment workshops or online courses on value investing. Self-learning. Read extensively. Follow Buffett's habit of reading 500 pages a day. Key books include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, Buffett's mentor. Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Poor Charlie's Almanac by Charles T. Munger. Study annual reports. Analyze reports from companies like Berkshire Hathaway. Follow market trends. Stay updated with financial news. G. Bloomberg, CNBC, Financial Times. Learn from Buffett's wisdom and develop a circle of competence. Watch Warren Buffett's interviews and Berkshire Hathaway annual shareholder meetings. Study Buffett's letters to shareholders for insights into his investment philosophy. Focus on industries you understand deeply. Continuously expand your knowledge but stay within your expertise. Practical strategy for learning, with real-world experience. Start investing early. Open a brokerage account and begin investing with small amounts. Track your results and learn from your mistakes. Analyze companies thoroughly. Focus on companies with strong financials, low debt, high return on equity. Competitive advantages, moats. Consistent earnings growth. Maintain a long-term view. Avoid short-term speculation, focus on value and business fundamentals. Create an investment journal. Document every investment decision, your rationale and the outcome, reflect on mistakes and learn from them. Practice patience and discipline. Avoid the temptation to react to market fluctuations. Follow Buffett's mantra, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. Lessons learned from Warren Buffett's career. Value investing. Focus on buying quality companies at a fair price. Integrity and reputation. Always act with honesty and fairness. Simplicity over complexity. Invest in businesses you understand. Compounding effect. Allow investments to grow through time and reinvestment. Continuous learning. Never stop improving your knowledge. Frugality. Live below your means, regardless of wealth. Philanthropy. Give back to society once you achieve success. Final thought. Ready to turn knowledge into wealth? Let's lock in Warren Buffett's success formula, proven strategies to build wealth and create a legendary career. Remember, success isn't about quick wins, it's about patience, smart decisions, and a lifelong commitment to learning. So, why wait? Start today, read, invest, also stay disciplined, embrace setbacks as lessons as well as let time become your greatest ally. As Warren Buffett says, someone is sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree a long time ago. Now it's your turn to plant that tree, because every smart decision today is a step toward your financial freedom tomorrow. Thank you for listening. For more information related to career path, job role, or description, follow our channel Career Quest.